আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভিউয়ার্স, কি অবস্থা সবার? চলে আসলো আবার একটি নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে। সো হাউ টু মেক মানি উইথ অ্যাফিলিয়েট মার্কেটিং, হাউ টু মেক মানি উইথ অ্যাফিলিয়েট মার্কেটিং. So system me the uh, EST and fastest way to grow your online business. Okay, so get free start. Okay, so email address, then great start for free. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so viewers, system stop using different tools for every part of online business. Okay, so first of all dashboard, push and 3. Okay, so sales email, then okay, the affiliate program management, business audi- automation, then evergreen web webinar. Okay, so online course and blogging and sell product. Okay, so filters and system, then sign up. Okay, first of all, system.io, first and online business, then different, then dashboard. Okay, so contact, funnel and email and blog audition. Okay, so first of all these tools and you need under the same proof. Okay, so email marketing and sales foundation, sales funnels. Okay, so website builder. Okay, and the go. So hello viewers and the goals, this is a make money. Okay, so how to make money online. So affiliate program management, affiliate management, affiliate program, automatic different payout. Okay, same time and uh, energy by automation your business. So evergreen webinars. So run evergreen webinar to grow your auditions and make sell products, blogging, online course. Okay, so build your online course and manage your student. Okay, then create sales foundation, sell fund list. Okay, so learn more. Then the eldest funnel builder you will have you will ever use. Okay, so get start free. Set your funnel in minutes and will do the rest. Okay, so build sales funnels and editor the easy use and speed the process with your proven template. Integrate your email list, payment system and membership sales. Okay, so automatic your funnel step to traffic and email requirement. So give me a course. Okay, so get started for sale. Then we will enterprise like you to grow their online business. Okay, so system up, build your business will platform that does all the hard work for you. Okay, the online platform that has everything you need to launch, grow and scale your online business. Okay, so hopefully integrate, simple and fast, affordable and the system. Okay, so the complete solution, grow your business online. What is if you could grow your business online without technical knowledge, or expensive tools. Okay, so all of these tools are critical if you want to keep up with your competitor. If you don't have them, you could not grow with business. System.io has helped threshold of entrepreneur uh, kickstart their business with platform that easy to use and host every tool you need all in the same place. Okay, so sell funnels, email marketing. Okay, then online course and online website builder. So create a free account. So for free, no credit card required. So email address and this get started for free. Okay. So system.io system affordable and intuitive all-in-one business building tool for anyone who is looking to grow their online business and pricing, sales, funnels builder, email marketing, website builder, affiliate marketing automation. Okay, so online course. Oh Allah.